we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lime Pool 7-in-1 Spa Pool Test Strips. Consists of the following features. Lab-tested accuracy. Our pool test strips are rigorously tested for precision, delivering plus and or minus 3% accuracy. If in doubt, compare results with a certified lab test before leaving feedback. Please note, if our strip gives a different result than an uncertified test, it's very likely the other test is inaccurate. 7-in-1, easily check total hardness, or TDS, free chlorine, bromine, total chlorine, pH, alkalinity and cyanuric acid all with one easy-to-use strip. Properly use for the best result, dip in the water for 2 seconds, then hold the strips horizontally for 45 seconds. Don't shake off the water or let the colors. Then check the result against sunlight for best result. 162 strips bulk pack, get more for your money with a bulk pack, ideal for families and pool service pros. Skin-safe pool, maintain perfectly balanced water to help prevent irritation, dry skin, and common water-related discomforts. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.